Just Do It Now and Restoration City are proud to announce their second annual Crawfish Festival fundraiser. Come join the party on Saturday, April 2nd at the Backyard Cajun on the patio in downtown Wharton from 3 to 9 p.m. Wharton and surrounding counties are invited to come enjoy plenty of food, beer, margaritas, retail vendors, free car, bike, and truck show, a kids zone, and live music performances, including an awesome Zydeco band. The party kicks off with a free car, bike, and truck show from 3 to 6 p.m. with custom classic and lowrider cars, bikes, and trucks. The entry fee is $20 and trophies will be awarded to first place winners. The Kids Zone will have fun activities including face painting and carnival-style games and prizes to keep the little ones occupied and entertained. There'll be plenty of crawfish available for purchase all day long, as well as other food vendors to choose from and plenty of drinks, including ice-cold beer and margaritas to wash it all down. Retail vendors will be selling arts and crafts, jewelry and clothing, and much more. All the proceeds will benefit two of Wharton County's favorite nonprofit organizations, Just Do It Now and Restoration City. Bring your lawn chairs to get comfortable and enjoy a great, fun-filled Cajun party atmosphere with lots of food, music, vendors, and entertainment, and fun for the whole family. If you want to be an event sponsor, reserve a table, become a vendor, or enter the car, bike, and truck show, you're encouraged to call Just Do It Now at 531-1975 or the law office of James Perez at 532-5500. Come have some Cajun fun in downtown Wharton. The party starts at 3 p.m. Saturday, April 2nd, and we'll see you there. Laissez les bon temps rouler.